With smart transportation, government services and living, digital technology makes North China's Xiong'an, the city of the future, more intelligent. The Xiong'an Urban Computing Center, located in the Rongdong area of Xiong'an New Area, is operated as the city's brain.
雄安城市计算中心在设计之初是要实现3个理念：雄安数字城市之眼、智能城市之脑和生态城市之心。最终呢是要打造一个全球创新高地的一个推进器，在整个城市治理过程中发挥重要的作用。
With a total investment of over 1 billion yuan and a total construction area of nearly 40,000 square meters, the center provides important support. It offers network, computing and storage services for big data, blockchain, and Internet of Things.
这个公交车还有几站地到达你所要乘坐的这个站点，和你需要多长时间才能到达，我们都可以计算出相关信息，通过 APP 向各个公民来提供他所需的出行的规划。智慧城市使得生活更有质量，行为的规划更有效率。